Library is known as the Jitendra Library. Find a used sitting area. There you can sit, study, read, write, work, or even at times sleep.
I started using the college library since last 1 year to read financial newspapers and periodicals. So I came across many newspapers and periodicals available in the library. So I started spending some more time in order to read these newspapers. And so I also came across Wi-Fi facilities and books in order to research more on the topics which I used to read in newspaper.
The library is the house for about 59,000 books. You can find novels, journals, encyclopedia, newspapers, and books for physics, botany, zoology, chemistry, psychology, accounts, finance, marketing, mass media, and many more. And the reference books are neatly placed in the shelves in the sitting area while the other books are inside the stack room.
The library has n number of books. No matter whatever stream you would be in, you will find many books for your reading. There are books which will help you to prepare for any competitive exams or even for developing your personality. There are books for your information, for your knowledge, and as well as for entertainment.
Before entering the library, the students are expected to keep their bags at the baggage counter and take their individual token number. As you enter the Mithibai library, you can find 3 counters. First is the book return counter. This is the counter where you have to return the book which you have issued. Second is the ID card counter, from where you can collect your ID card as well as the Mithibai library card. Third is the on-campus reading counter. Inside the stack room is the 4th counter, from where you can issue a book. The newly arrived books are kept separately for the students who love to stay updated in the world of books. The library also keeps a huge collection of latest periodicals of different genres, apart from the thousands of books in the stack room. There are newspapers in various languages and reference books and theses to help you in your academy. The Mithibai library uses the best technology to serve its students. One of such technologies is the OPAC system of the library.
It's very easy to find a book over here. We have an OPAC system according to which you need to enter the name of the book or the author you want to find, and the software will give you a code. You give the code to the bookkeepers and they guide you accordingly. It's that simple.
Labels are put into the stack room and the books have their individual code. This makes it quite easy for the student to search any book. The library provides the students with interlibrary loan facility. If a book is not available in the library or is engaged with any other student, then the library can borrow that particular book from other SVKM libraries and can give it to the student. The system of OPAC is used for this sake, as the students can find the required books using that system. Another facility provided by the library is of Calibre. It is the online reading portal of the library on which students can read the e-books which are downloaded and kept in the e-library that is known as the Calibre. On the extreme left of the sitting area is the database hub. The database hub consists of internet-enabled computers for the students, which can be used by them for their academic purposes.
In the Mithibai e-library, you can find many sections such as Enlist Database, Institutional Repository, Calibri, and New Arrivals. In the Enlist Database, you can find PhD research papers. In the Institutional Repository, you can find question papers of previous years. In the Calibri, you can read books online. And in the New Arrival section, you can find the New Arrival books.
The computers here are NVDA software enabled, which assists the visually impaired students to use the computers.
Not Myanmar with 20.2% passenger growth rate. India way ahead of other aviation MKTS. Mumbai, the domestic aviation.
Tons and tons of knowledge can be gained from the library. The library is updated with fresh stock of knowledge to help you expand your span of knowledge and learning. The healthy company of quality books offered by the library can develop your personality in such a manner that nothing can stop you from succeeding in life. The library is not just a pack of knowledge, but also is a great domain of entertainment. It is possible to pass any length of time sitting in the library engrossed in a novel or some magazine. The door to Mithibai Library is a door to great wonders packed in this huge room waiting just for you to discover it. Now you know which is your first stop as you enter the campus of the great Mithibai College.